was kind of a howl, kind of a scraping, kind of a metallic sound.
Kind of a somber music and eerie sounding.
Imagine waking up at 5 in the morning to this. Trudy Maloney did, and like any woman would, blamed it on her husband. She thought he was watching Olympic figure skating.
So I went out to see if, kind of scold him that he was had the TV too loud. He was sound asleep on the couch. So I realized, okay, now I'm hearing things.
Aaron Busing and his wife were just as befuddled.
We both got up and opened the window because we were so curious as to what the noise was.
Busing works for the Army Corps of Engineers. He and his coworkers put their heads together for a theory.
Not that I know for sure that that's what it was, but it makes sense. Either maybe the ice has cracked, was moving against a shear plane, or maybe it was moving up against a bridge pier.
Others who heard it suggested coyotes or the wind. Whatever it was, Trudy, you weren't hearing things.
It would have made a beautiful backdrop to a mystery movie.